I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.
Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas. Give Travis a wish list. I'd probably pull a Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't never had shit. Give away a few Mercedes like, here lady, have this. And last but not least, grant somebody their last wish. It's been a couple months that I've been single, so you can call me Travis Claus minus the ho-ho. Get it? I probably visit where Katrina hit, and damn sure do a lot more than FEMA did. Yeah, can't forget about me, stupid. Everywhere I go, I'ma have my own theme music.
Oh, every time I close my eyes,
What you see, bro?
I see my name in shining lights.
Oh, amazing. We are here in Hoover Dam. Grabe. Ang taas, oh. Grabe. Oh my goodness. Ito ang totoong tour. Grabe. Kasama ko ang family ko. Grabe. Tingnan mo. Wow. Grabe. Guys. Patawin mo lang, guys. Makakarating ka rito. Sa kahit imagination hindi mo maisip ito. Ang taas.
Tax bracket, we in recession, but let me take a crack at it. I probably take whatever's left and just split it up, so everybody that I look can have a couple bucks, and not a single